Welcome to Unit 10. This unit is all about things that are happening around us, right now. In this unit, you will learn how to talk about activities that are happening now, using the present continuous. He's drinking coffee. They're laughing. What's the difference in meaning between I don't wear jeans and I'm not wearing jeans? In this unit, you'll learn about the difference between the present simple and the present continuous, and when to use one or the other. Can you guess how many people are getting married right now across the world? What about the number of meteors that are falling to Earth? In reading and speaking, you'll learn some very interesting facts about what is happening each minute across the planet. Vocabulary and speaking looks at describing people. Can you guess which celebrity I'm describing? She's an actress and a film director. She's very pretty. She's got long, dark, curly hair and brown eyes. She isn't very tall, but she's very slim. She's from Israel. Who is it? It's Natalie Portman. Thanks for the dinner invite, but I'm afraid I can't come. Sorry. See you soon. Bye. In everyday English, you'll learn some useful social expressions. Do you need more skills practice? Go online to improve your reading, listening, speaking, or writing. Are you ready? Let's get started.